In this video, we will learn how to perform SYN Flood Attack Investigation or Forensic using tshark. So you can protect your network and your system. So first of all, we need to have SCAPI installed on our system. We are going to use SCAPI in our Python script to do the SYN flooding. And we need few tools such as this Python script. Then we need to have a web server to which we are going to send this SYN flooding. Uh, and then we are going to use tshark to capture these packets. And at the end, we are going to run Wireshark and load that packet file so we can analyze. So the SCAPI is powerful Python library for network packet manipulation and analysis. It allows users to send, sniff, dissect, and force network packets and can be used for a wide range of network related tasks such as network discovery, security scanning, penetration testing, and more. SCAPI supports a large number of network protocols and provide a flexible and user-friendly interface for working with network data. So first we are going to create a directory. We can use make directory command and we are going to name it sync demo, syn demo, and then we are going to change into this directory syn demo. And here we are going to download the Python script. So I will provide the link to this script under my video description. So this is the script over here, and we just need to get the link of this file, and we are going to use wget to download it. Wget and just paste this link here. Okay, so we can do ls and just to look at the content of this file, scapi syn.py. So we got our script. The important thing to note over here is the type. A target IP address is this the local host address. So we need to run a web server, and the target port is 80. So this script will send a SYN flood to a web server running on this address and this port. So I'm just going to start building a Python web server. We can do Python m http server, and we can specify the port. So I will select port 80 and start our server. And then the second step is to run our Python script, and we also need to listen with the tshark. So let's do that. New tab, and we are going to use a tshark to capture the packets. So you can do tshark with uppercase D, and it will list the interfaces on your system. We are going to select the LO loopback for our interface, and so we are going to select this one with the tshark. Let me clear the terminal so we can see how to use tshark. And now we're just gonna do tshark and select the interface. This will be LO, and we are going to capture for packets, and the Python script we are also sending for packets. So, and then we are going to write the capture packet data, the traffic, to our pcap file. So I will name it flood. Okay, so SYN Flood dot pcap, and just hit enter, and it's capturing on a loopback. Just open another tab, and let's see what's the name of our Python file. We just gonna do sudo copy syn.py, and just hit enter. Need to enter Python 2 sudo python's copy, and so we can see the message over here: send for packets of this size to this address and port. Let's go to the tshark, and it says capture 4 packets, and this is our web server running. So let's do ls and see if we can see the pcap file here, and we are going to open this pcap file in Wireshark, and just hit enter. And after it starts, we are going to load this file. So our Wireshark started. We can go to open, and let's see, and just select this file and click on open, and you can see the data over here. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.